I want to continue with the fungi Mycorrhiza mycelium network development in a straw bale garden, and I covered that up last night because it's now pretty cold and I want to film. You can hardly see well, you can see it, but this mushroom, which is gigantic, the most important part I want to say is that it took me 3 years to develop this, and I did it all naturally. I haven't added the bakoshi, mycorrhiza, mycelium addition. I haven't done anything. No rice, no additions, no fertilizer, nothing. I only was inspired by forests and nature. And when you go into a forest, and I'll tell you later how amazing this is, when you go into a forest and just endlessly for millions of years, the forests are building their own soil. No humans, no intervention, nothing, and it's the most perfect soil on the planet. And so I guess for 10 years I've been watching all this, studying it and just thinking about it and trying to imagine how could a human facilitate this natural, powerful dynamic in their food production. And so all the food plants, it's a small garden, tiny actually, straw bale, and the whole development, and it has taken 3 years, the whole development was how does a human naturally cultivate a rich soil without the easy, fast, quick interventions that we use. And obviously, as forests can do it, and we are the manifestation of nature. I mean, human intelligence is that we are inside the nodes of nature, the system of nature. We understand, we are the gardeners. And so how can a human work with this for their own food, for example, or even to develop it across the planet? What I'm trying to say is that nature, 3 years is nothing. I mean, it seems a long time when you're doing it, but nature doesn't build a forest overnight. And what I had to do was I had to kind of instinctively do it, because there isn't really any rational process. You have to be somehow part of the mind of nature, or thinking within nature, but it's not really thinking, it's something else. You have to have your mind inside that system, I guess, without thought, really, because I didn't think about this. I just tried things out.